Alright, I have no idea what happened there, but the game started making all kinds of noise. The plane started freaking out and basically kicked me. So perhaps the government does not want us flying over this circle. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Well, let's go somewhere else cold. Alrighty. Just thinking about putting a few clips together. Today didn't really work out to be one solid flight video, so got a couple flights, a couple crashes. Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh, this might not be good. Wait. Come on. No, this is not good. Couple crashes on the computer, not the plane. So I just thought, what better way to make a third video than just do a compilation? Okay. I have no idea what that is. I think the game is glitched. Alright, we're gonna fly the North American Aviation T6 Texan. I don't know what I just said. I know what the Texan is, but a little bit about it anyways, but I don't really... I don't know much more than the fact that it's an old warbird. Figured, called the Texan, we might as well fly to Texas, and I think of Fort Worth. Dallas. Dallas? Texas. Don't mess with Texas. Oh, it's nighttime. I forgot to switch the time. That's okay. Let's see what happens. Looks like a well-lit city. Ooh, it's pretty dark.
Tower.
Wow.
Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra ready at runway 18 left, straight out departure.
I'm gonna go outside view. Check this thing out. Oh. Alright, not much to see because it's nighttime. But, let's see what Dallas looks like at night. We gotta turn these lights down a bit. Is this thing for real? I thought this was like a AI fake thing that I saw on social media. No way. How's the inside view? That is frightening. Frightening. Who would be comfortable with this? Oh my goodness. Those are at your neck. Those are at your neck level. This is why there's a guard here, but still. No way. Alright, forward. Okay, that would be easy enough. Yep. Backwards, yep. Obviously. Yep. Ah. Interesting. I like it. I could... Minus those props, I could really get into this. Rock and roll. I think these planes are called tail steers, and what happens is as you take off, that's the nose kind of dives down. Oh, come on. The nose kind of dives down, and you get a... There we go. We're in the air. Prop the landing gear up on this one. There we go. Cool. We gotta get her lined up. Can't be over there. Oh, oh. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. There we go. Yep. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good. There we go. Wing's okay. She's okay. Oh, is this guy coming to arrest me because I tore up the snow? Oh, he looks like he's coming my way. Uh-oh. Interesting. Did you see the U-turn that guy just pulled? That was insane. Okay, I'm gonna shut her down before this guy comes and gives me the old talking to. This is gonna be way too fast once we're up there, but it's definitely gonna get us up there. So let's go see the top of the. Let's go see the top of that volcano. Yeah, on tail steers, when you land on the front two wheels, and then as you slow down, the tail will drag, and there's a little wheel on the back there, as you can see. But makes it hard for taking off because, wow, that runway looks cool. Makes it a little hard for taking off because you can't really see over that nose when the plane is tilted back. Anyways, Dallas. Here we go. That's right. Afterburners. Flaps off. Landing gear down. I mean up. There we go. Oh no. Hold on, Goose. Hold on, Goose. Just keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Are you kidding me? I just restart. Just restart. This is... We will reach the volcano, okay? Totally goosed it on that one. What's up, Dallas? Pretty flat. Not much to see here. I did a couple other flights today, so I'll kind of sprinkle a few flights together, I'm thinking, and just make a little compilation video. This can't be the city center because there's no buildings. No high buildings anyways. Let's see if I turn the lights on, if they show up in this outer view, because right now it looks dark inside the cockpit there. Let's see if we turn the lights on. Oh. Let's turn them all the way up. Oh yeah, that's neat. This game's really cool. Let's see if I turn, if you can see the stick moving. Yep. Alright. Put the flaps down, throttle all the way down. Let's do an outside view for this one. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. So peaceful. Dallas, 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 Dallas. Looks like a bit of a city over here. Let's see. City center anyways. This is a pretty massive city. Let's turn off these lights. Yeah. There we go. There we go. I wonder if we can fly through the streets. Not going to get ahead of myself this time. We're not going to do the afterburners. Just going to up throttle, release the parking brake. Who am I kidding? I got to do the afterburner. Kidding me? Of course we're doing the afterburner. Look at this. Straight climb. Alright, we're sinking. Level off. Oh no. We might have done it again. Not this time. Not this time, baby. Maybe this time. Oh, wait. No, we got it. We got it. We got it. We're good. Airspeed 220. I've noticed when these planes get going too fast, you do lose control. I don't know if this would be the city center. It's definitely more buildings than I saw anywhere else, and that is a tower I almost hit. Wow. Welcome to the 1880s. This is some Wright Brothers plane. Look at this thing. Oh man. Look at the wheels. What's the interior? Oh, yep. I can see myself throwing grenades over the side of this thing for sure. Yep. This was the originator of the... There we go. Sounds like it's all made out of wood. And she's up. She's up. There we go. I don't think this thing's going to make it to the top of the volcano. I'm almost not even making it out of the airport. Whoa. Okay. Let's do this. I got the throttle all the way up. Alright, I'm going to say this is a very cool plane. I definitely want to revisit this plane. But I also want to see that volcano tonight. So I don't think that's happening in this thing. This is a slow climb. Help! Shut her down. I'm in the grass. Throw propeller. There's no way. There's no way. That's the most unrealistic thing I've seen. Let's lower our speed a bit because I've noticed when you get going faster on some of these old warplanes, they seem like they lose a bit of the handling capabilities the faster you go. Let's see if I can get through this spot here. That tower kind of appeared out of nowhere. I didn't expect that. I know these buildings can sometimes have antennas on them. That's pretty sketchy. I don't think that would be a safe maneuver to do in real life, even though that seemed pretty tame. So, igniter, where was that? Please give me the... Whoa. Wow. Okay. So my altitude is basically 10,000 feet. Airspeed 1. I could walk faster than this. Let's shut off the fuel. I think I'm just pouring gas into this balloon. This is not good. I'm out of fuel on this one. Oh no. I'm out of fuel altogether. I mean, it's peaceful. Where's the parachute?
X-ray Golf Sierra. Traffic is 9 o'clock for miles at 4600, Boeing 737. Report them in sight. X-ray Golf Sierra.
Very cool. Oh, sonic boom. I think that's our first sonic boom for the channel. Let's give it another one. One more for good luck. Look at this plane. This thing is beautiful. Try it again.
Have the traffic.
Be through here. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right.
X-ray Golf Sierra 9000.
Boeing Alpha Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra. Honolulu Center. Altimeter 29992. Radar contact continued.
Alright, I'm going to try to land this thing. Like I said, I've got a few clips that I want to throw together for a video. Airport over here. We'll go to this one here. Dallas Executive. This runway looks like it goes from this direction. Baseball diamond. 2 baseball diamonds. And a football field. Unlike yesterday's video, I'm under 80 here, under 90, so I'm going to put the landing gear down just so I don't forget. Gonna pull a little harder on the turn, losing some speed. It's okay, not dangerous just yet.
Boeing X-ray Sierra contact terminal approach on 119.7.
There we go, straight.
X-ray Golf Sierra.
Slow down for this pass. Oh, cool. It doesn't really look as majestic as I thought it would. Thought it was going to be a big, just classic volcano. Keeping it realistic, I'm going to go for the interior view. 1600 RPM. There we go. Throttle is cut completely. Whoa, the just easy on the brakes, because these things will nose down into the ground if you brake too hard. I think they used to kind of snake back and forth like this just to kind of, when they were going slow, just to keep an eye on what was in front of them. Anyway, I think that's all for today. We went to the top. We flew an air balloon. We likely died in an old 1800s wooden plane. We definitely died in this thing. Cutting throttle. Cutting throttle completely. Dropping landing gear. Power. Nose up. Maybe I can. I don't think I've landed this thing before. It's hard. Oh no. That was hard. This guy's waving me in. Awesome. Thank you, boys and girls. Don't go in front of the propeller, dude. Oh, he looked closer than he was. See? Scary. Not so scary. Scary. Not so scary. Anyways, awesome. Good flight. Do I have somebody in the back with me? Oh. I got a co-pilot. What's this plane called? Piston healing? What does that mean? There you have it. The Texan. Over Texas. Through Dallas. It's good. It was a good evening. Anyways. Good evening to all. And we'll see you again tomorrow. We'll see where this makes it in the clips, but I'll probably do... I might make this the ender just so I can say thanks for watching and hope you liked it. If you did, please leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notifications, whatever people do on YouTube. I don't know. But first and foremost, don't forget, turn off the game, go outside, meet a friend, have some coffee, some tea, whatever you're into. Alright? Thanks for watching, guys. He's really close to that prop there. He was that time. That was really close. Alright. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.